Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Campus Group app review to save it worth using. So to get started with a in-depth review about Campus Group. Campus Group is a mobile app designed for universities to offer a private campus community platform. It features events registration, group chat, campus directories, attendance tracking, and resource sharing, all wrapped in a customizable and a branded interface for students and administrators. Many institutions praise its intuitive design, quick setup, and centralized functionalities, reporting rapid rollout and active student engagement across event scheduling, virtual affairs, and communications. However, user reviews are mixed. While some appreciate the app while some appreciate the one-stop access to campus event, others report frustrating issues with slow loading, frequent crashes, and a confusing interface, particularly on iPad and during orientation week. Users have also complained that many peer ignores the app in favor of other channels, suggesting limited engagement. Overall, Campus Group is worth using for institutions looking to centralize communication and event, but success depends on reliable app performance and active user adoption. And that's it. If you find the video a little bit helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. And that's it.